Fashion Week. It's always a pride to walk the Fashion Week, and who better than Swa to do the honors on the ramp. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. In fact, हमारा जो collection है, Swa का first time prep collection है, and it was inspired by Varanasi, by the mood, the colors of sunrise, the elements of nature. It has a very tranquil and a very spiritual theme to this collection. We have, like Trishul and all these symbols which are very spiritual. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. कुछ नया पहनने में बहुत नयापन था इनके विचार में, इनके कलेक्शन में, और बहुत comfortable था ये outfit. So I think that was what made my ramp journey successful in school.
I was just saying this earlier, that one of the reasons why I admire Anita as much as I do is because I've seen her over the years strive to help our craftsmen, our weavers, who, the world over recognizes how brilliant our textiles and our weaves are in India, and it's so wonderful to see an Indian designer with such wonderful thoughts and such wonderful silhouettes like her, who goes out there and uses the Indian textile and creates such beautiful clothing out of it. And as a young generation, I think it is really our responsibility, sir, to encourage these craftsmen, these weavers, and if people like Anita Dongre don't give these artisans the great platform that they get through weaving for textiles for people like her, I really wonder who would do it if not for people like her. It's fantastic that this is being done, and more power to Anita Dongre, because it's her vision and her ability to transform these textiles into such wonderful garments that become aspirational even for young people, that is going to help our craftsmen and our weavers. I was having fun. I mean, the garment is breathing, it's eco-friendly, it's cotton, it's soft, it's comfortable. I was feeling like I could float in it, and I think whatever a garment makes you feel is how you express yourself on the ramp. And luckily today I didn't have any rules laid down. Ki smile mat karna, seedhe chalna.
My collection is called Varanasi Weaves, and what I really wanted to do was show the beautiful fabrics of Varanasi in a very contemporary silhouette, so that women all over the world could want to buy and own these garments. I so agree with you. She is so pretty. So it's easy because she really looks beautiful in everything, and I just love the way she's carrying on this outfit today. And especially Diya. I mean, I really chose Diya especially because she's one of the few people in the industry who loves Indian textile, who understands an amazing lot about Indian culture, and knows a lot more, probably more than I do.
Oh, that's not true.
As we are all aware about the Indian textiles, which is well known for its unique design, its unique traditional designs, fabric, like use of natural fiber and natural dyes, and being eco-friendly. But it is well known for the traditional patterns, traditional attires. Now, to make it Indian textiles as a fashion statement and attract the younger generation, that Indian textiles can be as beautiful as for the fashion industry also. The Ministry of Textiles has taken initiative to collaborate the leading fashion designers to showcase the Indian textiles in a contemporary designs in a modern way, so that young generation is attracted, and in turn this will lead to the more base earning for the Indian weavers who are facing the competition with the male sector. So this is the initiative, and I thank Madam Anita, who has created a very beautiful collection from Banaras Deep, and Diya ji has showcased the Indian handlooms of Varanasi in a very appropriate manner. And I'm sure that with this initiative, the earning of weavers will improve and it will be well appreciated.
Keep watching and subscribe to Bollywood Wala now.